Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. I bring you special greetings from our Lord and Master Jesus in heaven. It's another special day that I am coming your way, and this time around, I want to talk about something that Christians are not paying attention to. I always been saying Christians are becoming so hypocrite, and the priesthood work has also become politics. I am so sad, and I don't see the reason why men of God or pastors are doing this to themselves. Just recently, our senior brother in the work of God has passed on, who is Apreku, my daughter. When he started doing his ministry, or when he started his ministry, some of us were not born. But because of the wickedness and the hypocrisy of pastors that we call ourselves, we were not able to help our brother. We were not able to help our brother, and he has passed on. This shows that Christianity, we call ourselves children of God, but we are so wicked and devilish. I didn't make us asem Apreku ye na nsenyan. Asofo bebre aba TV so, aba radio so, and they are all talking. And they bow their head in shame. All the pastors talking after Apreku's death, they should bow down their head in shame. And I want to video ebe drew a wo hwe na ebia bibinti wudi di Apreku atem na wonnim. You insulted this man in your various houses. Mudi natem in the social media, ye di asofo atem, ye gu asofo ni mase, and some ye kanfa asofo ho anya nsema eye palatable, and some ye kanfa asofo ho anya so evil and wicked. Apreku na say na meka asemi anya se me di panyin bi atem kum chacha Apreku ya kum chacha enimnie wakoni funu kwa kofa Apreku funu e de akwakoto ye friend say mortuary otie metie video bi Apreku ya interview bi Apreku ya, and I cried in my room in drum sentie ye na mesu ya pa wa me dem na me say hey asemo kan ni say wo ye sofo na we nya the right pastors and do with here obre Apreku ankoje duro Apreku ankoje bosum me dem nim, but so what see the life story no the two one you could see say aye nipa bi na born from nipa bi a trusty omo nipa bi a oji omo di say these are the people me dem re show me tu kwan a me jama safu dem omo and obo Apreku from. Now, according to the story, you can also say 2000 in the year 2000 of elections, and we predicted that one party be winning, and the exchange, and the boom party back which na party no boom, and it's your boom pay. Our quarter of said 1 year going down fear, said 2 years going down fear. More imagine what happened to this man. And only a cat ne down for no, and I put to man sorry or yare any woman kitty. Ya bo na moja ne nyoma na efri na sum ne num na saa se mo meka a kire ndwase some meka ya ye prebe do bi chana by na ewo eye Fiesta Royal mo amunu Fiesta Royal na de ko eye tema roundabout ufi La Paz ba Fiesta Royal ye bia radio station wo chana me brother Penny eye Kofi Danso Dr. Kofi Danso se wo Canada Toronto me ne ko preach wo ye pie ye pick up chensi ye and yes for Elisha was Kofi ya bono amma ye sabe ne bema ye tietia ne bema so what you say sa the year 2000 na in normal sisi ye no e house of binu ebi mu dwane kra fi Ghana ko share Nigeria ebi mu dwane ye samunim Jesus Abrantie ene sankofo na sa ye ni na omo ye la ye because omo na ka politics asem. And so apreku bɔ fam a wetuma nsɔre bi no yɛyɛ yɛfrɛ yɛn ho kristofo yɛfrɛ yɛn ho asɔfo we call ourselves men of God credible men of God ɛsɛ yɛfrɛ Nyankopɔn obi biara tuma mbɔ apreku yɛyɛ yɛn nua Reverend ɔbɔfoɔ ɛde apreku bɛgyina TV so ɛma ne car 4x4 ɛka kyerɛ Ghana ne wiase nyinaa sɛ bosomi bia ɔbɛma apreku 1,000 Ghana cedis yɛfa ne to payroll so ewiase nyinaa yɛ ne gye yɛ sɛ Reverend ɔbɔfoɔ ɛbɔ apreku but in my little sense no sika na Reverend ɔbɔfoɔ de ma apreku every month na ɛba ne sɛn ɛna apreku kɔ wie yɛ ɛwɔ baabi ɔkɔ wie yɛ no sɛ ɔma obi adeɛ a manadeɛ a wɔbɛtumi ahwɛ so manadeɛ a wɔtumi nhwɛ so ɔma nadeɛ a ma ne ho akadeɛ saa 4x4 yɛ a sɛbi Reverend ɔbɔfoɔ de kyɛ apreku yi to me na sɛbi menim sɛ nyansa bi anim for publicity and public standing you know what chane car you was so to me to full room it is a car na ka wo de kyɛ no and ka wo de to 2-bedroom house and I find say to 1-bedroom for the map preku a aka na preku we bi akɔde ne ti ato na na say ya me ya kɛse atwa me nsu mu ne sɛ apreku se wɔkɔ ɛyɛ papa ɔsɔfo beduko bi wɔ beduko bi so Ghana ha yɛ nim sɛ wo sika pa ya ka asɔfo na ɔmo de ɔmo na papa yi ɛkɔ beduko bi wa asɔre dan ya beduko bi ya asɔre wo mu no ɛwɔ na apreku kɔ daeɛ asɔre dan na beduko bi kɔ da mu monhwɛ bi a trend ni fi ɛne ti wa odi apreku atemia no mɛsrɛ sɛ srɛ Nyankopɔn bɔ ne fakyɛ because the downfall of a man is not the end of his life obi downfall ɛna de bɛsua adeɛ ɔkɔda beduko bi asɔre dan mu na ɔda asɔre dan mu ɛna ɔda anopa ewia anadwo na wo de yɛmfa ne sɛ ɛyɛ sphincters wɔ no beebi a beduko bi asɔre sɛ nkɔfo bi mponi ma apreku wɔ ha ɔkɔtɔ aduane a mogye sɛ na obi ka sɛ ɛnyɛ apreku ni a obetuma sansan ne tia akɔtɔ aduane wɔ hɔ bi ma na iti monhwɛ the stigmatization pressure awerɛwɔ atete ne amania na ɛwɔ apreku so ɔdwene saa because megye sɛ bɛdwane akɔtoa me nua sɔfoɔ anka ɛnyɛ kwa me nua sɔfoɔ bɛma bebi de ntia ɛdɛ ato nanso asɔre dɛm wɔ na wɔyɛ asɔre no ɛwɔ na apreku daeɛ ɛwɔ beduko bi asɔre ɛnti de bia na apreku dwene ɔhwɛ yɛ ade ne yɛ gyan ade ne yɛ nyan ɔhwɛ megusu da ha mo de mo mbisa sɛ ɛde na kɔɔ so nti a wɔsan free beduko bi asɔre wɔ ɛkɔ tena akaso a mo mbisa mo question sɛ what happened ɛna mani free beduko bi asɔre wɔsan kɔ tena akaso a ɛwɔ the slum area na yɛmu sɛ wakɔ wɔ no because asɔfo na ɛsan ka yɛ boa no ɛnyɛ hwɛ kora nka beduko bi ɛnkasa apreku bɛda me boys quarters wɔ me fie ɛnyɛ hwɛ kora no bɛsɛ bɛda me boys quarters na meri ne aduane a na nka wɔti kakra yɛ den ɛde ama wɔdi anka meri ne aduane a na nka wɔti kakra ɛde ama wɔyɛ den ɛdi nanso wɔn nyinaa ɛnsi papa ne da asɔre dɛm wɔ mo ba wɔ lockdown yi baayɛ wobɛkyɛ nnuane o sɛ wankyɛ nnuane wobɛkyɛ sika o papa egu so da wɔasɔre dɛm wɔ papa egu so da wɔasɔre dɛm wɔ nti mofo sɛ ɛdeɛ na kɔ so yɛfrɛ yɛn wɔ kristofoɔ bible na ate sɛ ɔmo a ɔmo yɛ mmerɛ no yɛyɛ yɛn ho yɛ den yɛn mpagya ɔmo nyina wɔ nanso yɛyɛ yɛfrɛ yɛn kristofoɔ no sɛ yɛkuo na yɛate no ɛkoro yɛ anim yɛkuo na yɛfrɛ ho sɛ kristofoɔ kuo no baako yɛ love ɛni yɛn ntɛm wɔn sɛ wɔfiri wɔ ɛkɔɔ kaasoa sɛbi ma no da sumina so akɔwensafo na ɔkɔhyia ɔmo wɔ hɔ no ɔmo wɔ kame no akɔwensafo no mu wɔ kame apreku ɛwɔ ɛfɛw so enigye so sɛbi saa akɔwensani no ɔwɔ 5 cities kura na ɔbɛbɛbɔ dan kɔkɔkɔ minua asɛm mi kan mo a mo tete around now anyone that knows about these people edu baabi akɔwensani na ahemache 5:30 na wasɔre na ɔbɛbɔ kɔkɔkɔ abɛkyɛke akɔ no room because nini akɔwensani bi da baabi nti ɔsɔre anɔpa bɛyɛ 6:30 ana ahemache kɔ mo sɔre ntɛm ɔmo kɔ na ɔmo kɔbɔ baa no ebie baa no na ɛtɔn sama ɔmo nti bɛyɛ 6:30 no ana 5:30 no wasɔre kɔ a obi fie sɛ ɔkɔkyɛke sɛ nipa wei no te sɛn obi ɔkɔ na yiri ni aduane fi ɛwɔ fie wie a ondi o ɔbɛkyekyere gu rɔba mu na ɔde akɔ nadamfo bi a ɔno so ɔne ne nom sa sɛ kyale banku mmienu ni o nkwan ni o yɛndi kyale no 2 cities so yɛn kɔtwa 1 city na yɛn kɔ yɛ gari ni yɛndi ɔmo wɔ unity ɔmo wɔ love ɛni ti mo imagine sɛ apeku kɔn yɛ asa nkɔfo wɔ kyerɛ ne love nkɔfo wɔ kyerɛ ne sɛ ɛhyɛ yɛn mu kɔ yɛn na ɔbɛkyɛ do you think sɛ ɔbɛsan ba back to ne dada mu Waba sorry na ka sorry be demonstrating love de akyere no. Waba sorry na ka sorry be ma ni bie di no. Waba sorry na ka sorry be ma ni bie ada no. Sabe apreku record seti wo Ghana ha. Sofo bia anya bi da. Not talk of obofo, not to talk of obini. Hinna no waye bi. Sa o mo 31st no mo ye no. Anya bi na apreku ye yo. Apreku fele anya a friend is saying transfer aye mabusu abonti aye ma baby aye ma because of this man that people are mockery of him today. Because of this man. I mean, it's a money himself. Papa, we never be a point to a man. And Brenda one and one encono. They shouldn't have stopped because I come himself on a cock to a mono. Say Kofi, I didn't say I could be quiet interview. Mona would be new Papa Biano Anum Saebro. I was to say Apple and again. Both was in the Comus Apple wood at demo. I had done for concerning the community. Yeah, friend who Christopher and a piety sorry and a Juliet sorry, a was sorry. Your bomb piety will be a. Obi biara tuma ko ba apreku dan hu se apreku wu na dafo ko winsani na kwakwa check apreku no hu se apreku wu enso kotna area o Christopher omo nu aduane enso nipa sere apreku na lady na otwa apreku video di to amonte no lady na o yes ade no wakofa curse e da bani generation so wakofa curse e da bra ne ma ane ne nana kanso amo samusha bible mu kwan embra Elijah enkola na grow Elijah no mo sire Elijah no omo di Elijah ho fel no Elijah de bufuo kasa ye na me onaye se sisire ni jata emfiri wrem embe nkola no and God honored it enya hwe kura no apreku abonya me din e da ye dwumada and it the downfall of apreku no na ensese nipa di na tem lady ni twa video ni na hwe utterances for making here we ye ni why say Nebukadnezar ujim sika so bebo mpa ya mame okeka nsem bia na nsem okan no eye abotosem. What was the agenda until lady in the years ha? It opens apreku nam ka so na okọ sport konum sa no na obi hu sa ya apreku ye. Adeti no bia mfa phone entwa apreku video afa to social media. Brono no kwotena so no e wona ne yire ne mba ete. Enso obia entwa video. It lady na agenda ne den. E na okotwa video e na de beto social media. Okotwa video de beto social media. Na hwensema lady ne kekan ye. We ye nie unfun mutantan asema apreku bi na no ka say mendi matemo oso ya mebo me di ukoto social media no obi ehun wenim guase na masande wakoma Kennedy Japan na me di wakoma Kennedy Japan ofese anka apreku ba asori dem wo no okoda beduko bi asori dem wo no na beduko bi ka say be di apreku de ya nya intibesen koda me boys quarters anka apreku ba na wewu anka onwu ye Reverend Bofo, Ubua Prokuna who said, no man no. There were people around the Reverend Bofo Mutuaka as a Reverend, still a Prokumo. Kum Chacha, yes, so sorry, I'm sorry for Casa Yamua Prokunia, dear, no one did you quote in Talaman, Kum Chacha, who will fear with him? What I dine? Oh, high dine for what to dine? What will fear to mean Casa Proku? My dine by Common Tibet, Nam and Chanwa. Uber Radio Swa, Kum Chacha Bekasa said, I am going to bring Apreku back into the system. I am going to bring Apreku back into the system. Samuti Apreku story and a downfall be radio, any TV so no moko. Omoko TV soon radio, Kum Chacha, ya Jenny Cassis, because the do no municipal 20. I said, your Jom can near cotton, near the radio time. I saw for a promotion me, and making a lot of pastors watching me knows what I'm talking about. A lot of pastors knows what I'm talking about. Ebu hoko radio so and the prominent pastors ni hu come dey that kasa kase na omo ni omo TV stations no. Omo di the TV stations ka, omo di the radio stations ka. Okoto airtime to oni sika e se otoni bibi. Minimum so phobia nen don person tonton mo cars e di pejo mo ministry. It is anyone we na count apreku call from. Service waye kokoma de mpo ni ye nim a. Waye boni mpo oni ne nyankopon tem. We don't have the right to judge him. Me say dana me hunu video no I cried me sunye. I didn't tell them sunye because I am also a pastor upcoming. Me name say na yakopon be pagya me afa. En sohwe etumi tu obia. The word in sohwe etumi tu obia. Na eto no na odwane ba Kristofo wo no. Eto na odwane ba ejidifo wo no. Ye po no. Baby okoya mo accept no. Omo demonstrate love e kire no. Eye sabi akowensafo no konyo madamfo e wo kasoa no. They showed him love, they showed him care. Into or realize they say, Sankrofo we actually me odo dia, then I will be with them. I didn't know you're not a kukuoma dear, a secret. Into for say na obi anim sa preku konom sa. People know him. So ono ya preku no. near count crowd this and 2 feet could be one the stigmatization na ano thing. Omo no munim say we apreku no okoto duane wo say money be bia beduko bia so ron spring test e fra wo say Fridays area wo station kese bi wo ho mo ton duane nyoma imagine say apreku akogina no otodoko no oto waache oto emu no obi appoint say apreku no sis no nu how do you know who say no fail it be sure ni Kofi do mongo an interview papa ne kasa sa no su say ensohwe e ba enkra. What you are watching me? What would you that you are watching me right now? If a problem is coming, the problem won't tell you that I am coming. By the time you realize the problem is near to you, and it's a do be any part down for bar. Mumi insuya di infrim. Ebi mo throw to social media so, and an ebonia wire na nyame tu eneka. Sabi obi a obono woni wo. Nobody on this earth obet makasa or your angel. Nobody on earth obet makasa oni Yesu Christo eye pe. And so nipa dasani ya mwa preku. Asofo amwa preku enso ne kum chacha preku ye you are the first pastor who could do okofa apreku body e dey akoshe fridge mo. You cherish the body more than when the person was living. Ukum chacha ya uni bebia na apreku ti wo eye kaso awo no unim say wo nye wetuma anya effort to be say wo de obi ampo emwa na anka wo fie na wo te no anka yi one room na ama apreku metra ho anka nsa fe ne nsampa kon fa kana no Sabi osofo beduko bi oba nchen ana nso ka say okay enya hwe okay asori ha elders na mo ha no muma on betra obi ofia muma ne betra mko no onye garden boy kra ofia okeke. We didn't demonstrate love to apreku inti de bia na odwene say hey ana monti ade ba kwa ase he grew old to 70 years na aka ne few years bi na we 70 years inti na apreku ahode ase ode ye adwuma no na akofom. Sabi when the sister you will be with this sister years why very weak. Apreku was around 70 or 70 back na owahodin kakra but ese mu say the level of thinking ebe conform onipa bia sebi nipa bia wo dwene a you don't even get happiness to eat. Onipa bia wo dwene a wote wana wo yema hyew wote wana wo yema hyew ti apreku twene ni hwe na ti na ohwe cars a wache beduko bi ni obofo enyom nom ye the first people who started sharing cars. Apreku eche cars wo Ghana. Apreku check cars e wo Ghana ansa we mu na ba bisua. Mu dini betina TV so egro no ho. Nti e ba ne sen apreku ko wie ye e wo sa slum area o. Hwedan apreku ndem a owu ye. Who knows say empampo na bi dadem a oda so. Mattress impo who knows say na e bi dadem wa na apreku dam. Bedukobi and other pastors should bow their head in shame. Bedukobi and other pastors should bow their head in shame. Because among priesthood, no, among Yakupon Jumano, I is so hard. That be in my video say, among my Yamisuno, I had to say politics. Among Yakupon Sumuno, I had to say the priesthood work have become politics. And so you see, Nikaya Raven for the channel, Sofu Bedukobi, Nakanisi, who was so. Asori wono na ka ni si ne entalia wo hye na gu ka nim ne mpa wo hye na gu ka nim bebi a mo dwonso egu edware na mo dwonso gu no e wona apreku dware wo e wona osiesie ne wo nti ne sofo bedu kopi apreku ewu no se ya apreku yi obetuma dress akotena ase bi se apreku ewu ndei obetuma akotena apreku yi ase bi never, he cannot go there. Why are we so wicked? Why are we so wicked? Human beings are so wicked, especially we that we call ourselves Christians. Asofona mudidi yenimu no mokwa de mo ye terrible saying church members nankasa. You never showed him love. And they will I've seen Reverend for doing videos all over social media. And then I walk up. What are you saying? Are you come to brag of what you gave him? Are you come to brag because of what you have given him before? Are you come to brag on those things? Human beings like bragging. Papa ne wo ho no, akowensa form and they accept no, and wo. But we can't judge where he's going. We can't judge. But woman now will try video no. So woman now what atiasefo asase so a maame no wakotwe amane atete or how at their brain generation. Because only the last words are a PFE apreku anu answer oh. Into mo first ma me twa preku video na preku nim say ma me twa the video. He knew it. Onim say ma me twa the video. Asem o kan say men didi matem o. Men didi matem. Nti say o ka sa asem o ya mo imagine say wo ko share dem wo no e de na ekoso na osu. Empo ne bi oye ade na okokom oye ni secret onum sa ni secret, but now you are bringing it into the public domain. Nti hwe imagine pressure de ba papa ne so say nti ade be ko no bi hu sa preku me no sa Ferrier any owo di anka fata owo. Ferrier any owo anka fata owo. Nti nipa ohunu so obi aseye a empentam engu nipa ne nimase. Onipa wotie me ohunu so obi aseye a empentam ensere no. Bisane siye hunu mwansa na fa bitu hunfo fatu kotodwem na nso fatu hunfo. Me yam hyehyeme makoma etu me da me hume ensi so. Because aprekuku get to this level na obewie e wa korinsa fo nsem a na ye frɛ ho asofo no ye wodwuma ye frɛ ho Christopher no, we have a lot of work to do because we are terrible abonten sofo no de bia meka omomunim yakopon omo ya doye sen yen omomunim yakopon no omo ya doye sen yen. And then aprekuka no say esi beduko bi asori dan wo say esi infa nobody knows where the car is. And so ya che the car ye de tofie man anka office am de anka aprekuku wu anka omu ye nti nipa sem ba nya botre asa waka bi nso hweto obi a nya botre asa wa jeje no aprekuku bu nipa bi no na wugina wo aprekuku ji eduro no na wugina wo. You were not there. Wo obone na wo ye no ene apreku dia wo so akoji eduro no ye pe wakofo obi yire wakofo obi girlfriend na da wakoba po wo adwuma mu we di obi dance room you have stabbed somebody from the back ni na ye bone ye ni kese ni kitwa. So why are you pointing your finger at someone? As you are pointing your finger, all the rest is pointing at you. Intimidate we me ba wa ko mu se mbeka che say the hypocrisy of some pastors and the hypocrisy after the death of Apreku. Me na me kum chacha and can never grant any interview, but me I am looking forward to see kum chacha one on one. Na me business say kum chacha if you na wutim wo kaswa ana wutim wo hefa no makati helo hefa no te no kum chacha unti single room unti hall and chamber mu uti apartment mu. You could have offered this man to come and even sleep at your hall. Apreku didi mu a obewie wo La Paz bigot. Na imagine say apreku abeda La Paz munima La Paz a imagine say apreku abeda La Paz bigot baby a shawo for no bigot sport wo e won oda. So imagine how the Christians that we call ourselves, imagine how the church we call ourselves epushi apreku to ekoto ye okoda bedu ko bia sori wona amfa no ofiri obeda bigot obeda bigot wo amfa no eno ye den osanto aso de ko kasoa baby ande waku no nti bedu ko bi ne other pastors no omo kan apreku asemu ndey nti no mo fo so mutumi ma apreku enya bi papa ntina o de ma mo nko haidan po ma na mo ma ne metena mo nchen e wo fie mo na mutum anya saade no and so ne mo na mo the nerves mo ni shame and mo nam radio so ni TV so na mo kasa. You never showed apreku love. So who person wo chiro bi love and the last days are all bre no e won demonstrate love re chire no. Embra Jesus Christ or so assembly na wo kona ya buru ne na why weak na ya bunu na wo sori na watofo so na watofo mu edumri bi na wo bre ye no sa time na nanim guase e ye ntoma pa ne de twa na sene. Jesus by so be wu ageme no mienu no ntoma pa na ne de twa na sene naked ya bunu o ya mre no hwe ase na santam the cross and no hwe ase and no santam the cross. The third one and a man obi kwa boa no na nanim guase na ba nanim guase na eden na aba but obi kwa boa no obi hu say waye mre waye weak otumi soa eye cross no enkodu gogo tapepo no so no. So somebody went to help him to carry the cross. Inti apreku ye mre na wote ase na afede nyoma asaya mana afede asori dem no kodae beduko bi meti sa asem no